I think it's a good afternoon to be at. Is it afternoon yet? I don't know. But you got Geoff's ice ball rolling. And Karen, what have you made?
Oh, courtesy of Instagram.
Check
Tasty.
them bad boys out. Our lighting is not good. We probably should have her flipped around, but do it, love, do it. Awesomeness. You got it? They're going to be good. Sadly, the days are counting down.
Way too close.
We're actually talking about our escape plan. Sadly. No, so.
Just return.
We did talk to Chris Wilhelm, Pole Building Outfitters. We're very happy there.
Yes.
All right, I'm going to end this. As always, thank you to VWR. There's more to come. I love you, love.
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you.